Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off all sensor on Samsung Galaxy Android smartphone. Simply go in settings, scroll down, go in about phone, again scroll down, go in software information, tap 7 times on build number to enable developer options. As you can see, developer mode has been enabled. Now go back, again scroll down. Here you can see developer options is showing now. Simply tap on it, scroll down, go in quick setting developer tiles. Here you can see all my sensors are enabled. If you want to turn off all these sensors, simply tap on this toggle. As you can see, all my sensors are turned off. This is how you can turn off all sensors on Samsung Galaxy Android smartphones. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.